Good house scare right there. Let's go.
Scott, you're here! Scott. You're here just like I calculated! Whoa, unbelievable!
Am I in time? Are we in time? What the fuck?
Exactly. I traveled for 20 years in the future, 2042 to be precise, to come here to this moment in time.
Wait, why are you here? For real though.
First of all, introductions are in order, don't you think? Doc Emmett Brown, scientist and time traveler. Man, it's good to see you.
It's good to see you, man.
How are you, my friend?
You've been, all right?
Very good. Wait a minute. It's very important I'm here.
Yes?
It's your kids in the future. Something's got to be done about your kids.
Our fucking kids. Are they like asshole? Our kids?
I don't think so.
They become stupid? Are they assholes?
No, nothing like that. But we need your assistance. That's why I've traveled in the future.
Okay.
And come right here to this moment in time.
Right now?
That's right.
Are you fucking kidding me?
You know what? As a time traveler, you can never have too much plutonium, right?
Yes, you need some
always
plutonium.
have plutonium on hand.
What do you got in that?
I'll tell you.
Holy
here,
shit!
my friend.
What is this? Oh my god! Woo! That's a little flip over. Let's go like this. Oh my god! Holy shit!
Oh my god.
Hey, sweets! I love you very much. I've been wanting to do this for a very long time. You are my sweets, you're my best friend, and let's do this life together. I didn't really write anything. Would you like to marry this?
Yes.
You got a little plutonium on this. Do you want to marry this or what? Here you go. I think I put it on your left finger or right finger. Here you go. That's yours. To the future.
I have to be honest after 7
Thank you,
years.
everybody. Thank you, guys. Sorry to ruin you guys working.
I'm letting you people back to work.
Hey, it's over. Thank you, dude.
I was like,